Hey.
Fantastic.
That's a bit fast.
Unfortunately, it's a bit wet today, so most of the koalas are tucked up and having a bit of a sleep. And the weather's a bit better, they'll come down and move around and feed. But if it's wet, they'll just tuck up in a ball and wait till the weather gets a bit better.
Got a lot of running to do.
Sure.
Yeah.
So let's get directions. Ask the koala.
So which way do we go? I'm gonna go this way. I'll show the way. I think I'll stay here. It's my favorite spot. Got even a personal light here.
So where are we running to? Chita, you come from Singapore.
Yeah.
How do you find the weather here?
The weather is very cold now, but I'm ready to go.
You got your gloves?
I got my gloves,
You got your hat?
my torch,
And you got the torch?
Yeah, and I got my jacket.
Okay, good luck and off you go.
Okay, see you later.
How do you find it, Chita? You enjoy it?
Where is?